The market went up today by a lot. Why? Well, because of this Fed decision. Fed holds rates steady, indicates 3 cuts coming in 2024. When I saw this headline, I about fell off my chair. Because when I first read it, what my eyes were seeing was Fed rates steady indicates 3 rate increases in 2024. And then I read it again and it said, no, it says cuts. And I was like, I can't believe this. But you know what this means. This is going to set up one of, if not the biggest, microcap stocks rally that we've ever seen. Because that 10 interest rates increases that these morons did over the last year and a half destroyed the liquidity in the microcap space. Absolutely destroyed to a level where you have companies with multi-billion-dollar assets, investors don't care. Companies that are trading at 1 times revenues and they have disruptive solutions, nobody cares. Companies that are almost profitable and people are freaked out about them going bankrupt, what happens when they don't go bankrupt? Yeah. It is going to be, I believe it's going to be breathtaking what's going to happen over the next 3 to 5 years. I mean, returns are going to be out of this world in the microcap space, small cap space. Why is it so much in the microcap space? Well, because that's the space that has been, we haven't seen those kinds of cheapness and valuation in 25 years, right? It's going to be unbelievable. And all the money that's sitting on the sidelines, think about this. All the money that flew into, treasuries, money market funds because of the Fed, and now the Fed is talking about cuts, the stocks are rallying, that money is going to fly back into risk assets. Because think about this. If you're a money manager and you are giving assets to manage and you put most of it into 5% yields and the market just went up 30%. What do you think is going to happen to your clients? Do you think your clients are going to be like, oh, yay, you got us 5%, and the market is up 30%? They're going to pull their money out. So these money managers, whether they like it or not, they're going to have to come back into the risky assets. But the big names already went up, right? So it's going to trickle down. That's what it's going to trickle down into the smaller names because the alpha has already been made in the big names. The money has to find more alpha somewhere else, and they're going to go down, down, and down, look for value. And the rally in the microcap space or small cap space is always delayed like this for that reason, because they first go after the easy pickings, right? The alpha is made, the returns are made, and they have to go further and further down, further and further down. And the value versus the price that you pay in the small and microcap space, it is out of this world. It's out of this world. These stocks, some of these stocks, are going to knock your socks off.